Oh, that's not it. You just put salt and pepper on here?
I put salt and pepper. No, I put garlic powder.
Garlic powder also?
And pepper, black pepper.
What's in here?
Tomato, celery.
Celery? An onion?
Onion.
Lettuce? What is this?
Onion.
What's this?
Celery.
Oh, it is celery. Oops.
Green onion.
Green onion? Where's the green onion?
Yeah, right there.
Oh, I'm stupid. Is that pineapple from a can?
What?
This is from a can.
And again what?
It's pineapple.
I buy fresh one, not in can.
Oh.
Fresh one. You want one piece?
Can I eat that? Yeah, are you done with it?
Let me cut for you like one.
Or are you going to use the whole thing?
No.
You don't use the whole thing?
I have more put in the freezer already, so.
Okay, now what?
That's it. That's it. I fry fish first. Easy. I told you easy to make. That's the one easy. See that? See that easy?
Mm-hmm.
One pizza fried chicken, you want some?
No. Do you? Did you eat any?
No. I have two. But I get the chicken one.
Eat the fried chicken.
Have one left. Leave there. Eat later. If you don't want
That's
to
for
eat.
you. I don't want.
You don't want to eat, I do.
You need to eat. You love fried chicken.
I know that, but I don't worry about me. Worry about you.
I worry about you all the time.
You worry me, but you live far away. What happened to me?
Oh my gosh.
You see that already? You come here and see.
If you worry about me, why don't you come live with me? Hmm?
What you say?
I said, why don't you come visit me?
How do I come with live with you?
Yeah.
You think they're good?
Yeah.
But then later I don't like it. You will take it.
Of course I'll take care of you.
I take an hour later. I get old. If you think I old now, sometimes I sick. I don't do you. Who you do that? I want to live nursing home. I want to think about it. So I don't have busy live in the nursing home. All money retired over there. Nursing home. So I don't want to leave my house. My house out the work. And then nobody here, only me. You see me. You come home. You see Mama, Papa. Run all day, all night. Sometimes go visit Amy. I go home by myself. Uncle will come pack it. If I need something, I call him. He come. I don't call him. He got it too. Okay, so then.
Mm-hmm.
I call him. He come. I don't call him. He don't come. Sometimes he don't. He not busy. He get off from school. He want to get here so I can see baby. Today, I don't know. Baby off today. This morning, if he call me, I never go because I go buy tomato. But he come here. He give me tomato, cucumber, banana, everything, shrimp, pork, bacon. Someday, your mother, father old, and they come give lot of food for mama, papa, that bad. You say Uncle Bill, he give me lot of food. He don't take care, but he give lot of food. You know what I say? If I chicken. That's why salmon cấp mơ đa quý chị còn đi nó kia.
Ow! Oh my gosh. It burned me.
You did? You okay now?
Yeah.
need put right.
Stay away, Shorty. You're gonna hurt. Ow!
I need put right. I go to the buy banana. Uncle Bill give more
Did you
banana.
put sugar on it?
Huh?
Did you put sugar on it?
Where?
I see sugar over there.
That's sugar.
Yeah, you put sugar?
Later to vegetable, I put a little bit.
Okay.
What do you want? I find a thing. Because I cook a lot because mama, papa, you eat by myself. I cook one piece. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
By yourself, you cook one piece. If you cook 1 pound, you eat 2 days. You can. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's a 2 pound there. No, 1.5 pound. Oh, you like skin? That's why.
Sometimes I like the skin if it's crispy. Did you put a whole tomato in there?
Tomato in there.
A whole one?
I got 3 tomatoes.
3 tomatoes. They look so small.
But I buy long tomato like this, long like that.
Okay.
Depends. You like more, you eat more. That depends. That vegetable depends on you.
Yeah.
I talk about how you cook. Vegetable depends. You put how much you want. Okay?
Okay.
You don't want to put vegetable, that's okay too. Because I like vegetable.
I like vegetables. Tomatoes are fruit though.
Tomato, celery, onion, garlic, everything. You eat lots of garlic, that's better. You know why? Because garlic makes you stay away from cancer.
I knew you were gonna say that.
Huh?
I know you always say that.
Because you know why they say that? Long time ago, my cousin, cancer, lung cancer.
Lung cancer.
No, chest cancer. But the doctor, she don't eat garlic, she don't eat onion, but the doctor make her eat every day. 2 bowl, 1 bowl garlic, 1 bowl onion. How do you eat? Eat raw.
Vietnamese doctor?
No, American doctor, she live in Kendall.
Oh, Kendall.
I know that before. That's the truth. But you cook everything, you put garlic and onion better. Because your body has garlic, they don't make you sick cancer. You know what I mean? That's what I talk about. Always eat garlic. Garlic and onion.
I eat lots of garlic.
You eat lots of garlic? That's good, that's good. You might have smell it. Depends, you want half onion, 1/4, that depends on you. That's right. Make that adjustment on like that. Take the time. It's a little bit soft because that is Vietnamese. Pizza. That's celery.
Do you put this in the oven?
If you want, but I don't want. This Don't cook long. Put on top of scale.
When you put the pineapple and all that.
Wait, you what? Their mom take it out, cook different. Cook more vegetable. They crunchy the skin.
I like crunchy skin.
I wait. But, see, you're almost done. Only cook vegetable. That's all. Nothing else. That's better.
Do you eat salmon in Vietnam?
Vietnam have salmon too. A lot. Depend if you have money, expensive over there.
Do you eat it like this?
Huh?
You eat it like this in Vietnam?
Like this, or I fry it with lemongrass. Buy itself, no vegetable, no vegetable. I think that's a Vietnamese style, so enough. That's Vietnamese style. You don't
Okay,
know?
good. No, I don't know.
That's a Vietnamese style. Okay, take it out. Look.
Take it out?
Look. Crunchy skin ready. If you eat Vietnamese, you cook the crunchy skin. So that's why you cook with the put a little bit of oil. That's avocado oil, okay?
It's avocado?
Yeah. Mama buy. Look.
Scared.
Move the way about this.
I'm not gonna put it on Facebook.
Look.
I'm looking.
Little bit sugar. here. You put that, you don't put pineapple in it. Little bit sweet, when you,
I love the pineapple.
you cook a little bit sweet. It's like it tastes.
Is it hot?
Look like that. There you go, though.
Tastes like fish sauce.
Fish sauce.
Mm-hmm.
Right, put a little bit of sauce now. Remember, Savannah?
I do remember.
That's it?
That's it? Is the tomato done?
That's it? Huh? That's it?
For how long?
Let me see. About 15 minutes, 20 minutes.
And then it's done?
Mm.
You don't have to,
Done, then maybe put that on top. That vegetable on top.
and that's it?
That's it. Finish.
Finished?
Finish.
Wow, easy.
I told you the easy.
Thank you, Grandma.
That's why I want you to make it eat that, the healthy. The fish, salmon, healthy. Okay? But like a vegetable, and then onion, garlic, celery, like that. That's it.
Thank you.
That's it. Thank you. That's it. Okay, that's it. That's it, Sabrina. That's done. Done, baby.